I'm Srikumar Rao. I'm an executive coach for persons who also have a spiritual bent that they would like to bring to every aspect of their life. And today I'm going to share with you a concept that you might not be familiar with, but which will bring great joy and great success to you. Put yourself in a thought experiment. You're going to an important meeting, you're driving, you're running late, you're stuck in a massive traffic jam, and it's a beastly hot day and your air conditioning has broken down. Okay? Don't just listen to me. Put yourself in that situation. And all of a sudden, somebody cuts in front of you and almost causes an accident. What are your reactions to the person who almost caused the accident? I'll bet you that your reactions are not those of loving kindness. Now, let me share something with you. This person who cut you off so rudely was trying to get to the hospital. His son had an accident and he's trying to get there. He's being operated on. He's trying to get there and he has no knowledge of whether or not he'll ever see his son alive again. When I shared that information with you, do you feel your rage and frustration drain out of you to be replaced with compassion for a fellow human being? Probably. But let's be honest, you don't have a clue whether the guy who cut you off was an inconsiderate jerk or a distraught father, right? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to hire a private investigator to look into the matter and report back to you. And if the private investigator reports back that he was a distraught father, you'll feel great compassion. But if the private investigator reports back to you that the guy was an inconsiderate jerk, you'll be pissed off, really pissed off. Is that what's going to happen? Probably not. You're not going to hire a private investigator to look into the matter, which means you'll never know whether or not this guy was a distraught father or an inconsiderate jerk. But the point is, it really doesn't matter. You have the option of deciding what is the emotional domain that you occupy. And in all likelihood, you never recognize that this was an option you had and a decision you made. And the reason this is important is because you face such a juncture in your life dozens of times every day. In the vast majority of them, you choose to occupy a domain where you're fearful, anxious, nervous, and you never recognize that this was an option you had and a decision you made.